Good morning, dear pupils. Welcome to our video lesson. How are you doing? My name is Gulbadam Mutbay. I am from Turkestan region, Muhtaral district, number 9 General Secondary School. And our today's theme is researching and writing a magazine article on adventure holidays for families. Now, please look at the picture and try to guess the topic of our lesson. What do you think? What are we going to learn today? Yes, you are right. Today, we will learn how to write an article about adventure holiday for a school magazine. Before we start the lesson, let me introduce you to learning and lesson objectives of our lesson. Learning objectives. Use imagination to express thoughts, ideas, experiences, and feelings. Understand most specific information and detail of supported extended talk on a range of general and curricular topics. Plan, write, edit, and proofread. Work at text level with some support on a growing range of general and curricular topics. Lesson objectives. Today, you will learn how to plan and write an article on adventure holidays. Also, you will learn to recognize most specific information and detail of supported extended talk on general and curricular topics. We will start our lesson with checking the meaning of these words. Listen, repeat, and remember. Chartered boat, black drum, ship's head, shark, to snap, to catch. Very good. Now, let's play vocabulary matching game and test your memory. You should match the words with their meanings. Теперь давайте проверим вашу память. Вы должны соединить эти слова с их значениями. I'll give you 1 minute time to think. Let's check your answers. Excellent. I hope you have no mistakes. Молодцы. Now, we are going to listen about Grace's adventure holiday with her family. Listen carefully and try to understand specific information and detail in the text. The big catch. Wake up! It's time to go fishing. That's what I heard the morning I was going to go fishing with my family on the Chesapeake Bay. Being on a chartered boat was really nice because it was just my family and me. We had to wake up at 6 a.m. I was not happy, but as the day went on, I had fun. My uncle caught a really big fish, and so did my mom. They were the first ones to catch a fish. Then I caught a 32-inch black drum. I could hardly hold it. It was that heavy. Next day, my dad caught a 14.1-pound ship's head. The captain said it might be a state record. We were all really excited when he caught that fish. Later, we went to the ocean to catch sharks. My grandpa caught one. That was really big, but it snapped the line. My dad caught one, but it also snapped the line. My uncle caught one. I thought it was funny looking. By then, our fishing trip was over and we had to go back where we were staying. Now you see how I spent my summer vacation. Grace Miller, 11, Somerset. And now you need to answer the questions about Grace's holiday. Refresh your memory. Теперь нам нужно ответить на эти вопросы. First question. With whom did Grace go to holiday? Grace went to holiday with her family. Second question. What kind of holiday was it? It was a fishing holiday. Third question. Where did they go for fishing? They went to the Chesapeake Bay. Fourth question. What happened on a chartered boat? Her uncle and mom caught a big fish and then she caught one. Fifth question. What did she catch? She caught a 32-inch black drum. Sixth question. How many sharks did they catch in the ocean? They caught 3 sharks. Well done, very good. Now, pay attention to these 5 writing tips for an article. First tip is to find a catchy heading to grab the attention of readers. Second tip is introduction. You should interest your readers with phrases or questions and then give short description of place and people around you. Third tip is main body. Here you may describe the best part and the worst part of your holiday or other experiences during your holiday. In addition, you should keep the timeline and use one-time tense. Fourth tip is sharing your feelings. List everything you can remember. Think about your 5 senses: taste, touch, smell, sight, and hearing. Fifth tip is conclusion. Here you will write your final thoughts or anything you learned. А теперь обратите внимание на эти 5 советов по написанию статьи. Первый совет – найдите запоминающийся заголовок, чтобы привлечь внимание читателей. Второй совет – введение. Вы должны заинтересовать своих читателей фразами или вопросами, а затем дать краткое описание места или людей вокруг вас. Третий совет – это основная часть. Здесь вы можете описать лучшую или худшую часть вашего отпуска или другие впечатления во время отпуска. Кроме того, вы должны соблюдать последовательность действий и использовать одно время для описания. Четвертый совет. Делитесь своими чувствами. Составьте список всего, что вы можете вспомнить. Подумайте о своих 5 чувствах: вкусе, осязании, запахе, зрении и слухе. Пятый совет. Заключение. Здесь вы можете написать свои последние мысли о путешествии или все, что вы узнали во время путешествия. Let's get writing. At first, we should plan our article. Therefore, we will start from taking notes. Для начала, чтобы написать статью, нам нужно все спланировать. Поэтому мы начнем с заметок. Take a sheet of paper and on the top write, what did I do on my holiday? Then write your name, date isn't necessary. For the first column, write places you went to and near write who you was with at each place. For the second column, write what did you do there. Add as much detail as you can. For the fourth column, write the best part of your holiday and explain why. For the fifth column, write the worst part of your holiday and then give explanation. For the sixth column, write your feelings during the holiday. Think about your 5 senses: taste, touch, smell, sight, and hearing. For the conclusion, write your final thoughts or anything you learned. And now, let's turn your notes into paragraphs. А теперь превратите свои заметки в абзацы. Join the first, second, and third columns into introduction. Then the fourth column into paragraph 1. After that, the fifth column into paragraph 6. Accordingly, the sixth column into paragraph 3 and 4. And conclusion. Finally, here you should write an article by using your paragraphs from previous slide. If one sheet of paper isn't enough, you can take the second. Теперь вы должны использовать свои написанные абзацы, чтобы написать статью. Next, complete the self-assessment by ticking the boxes that best refer to your results at the lesson. I hope that you will use today's learned 5 tips in your next writings. Our lesson is over. Goodbye. До свидания, ребята. Наш урок окончен.